Hi everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment again, and I've got a few little jobs to do. I don't know if I'm going to get all of them done today because the weather's not looking good. The sun's trying to come through, but it's not come through yet, so we're just going to get on with it. I've got my bucket here where I put my coir in, so it's running low, so I'm going to just top that up with some more. That's the first thing I'm going to do, and once I've done that I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've put my coir blocks in, so next time I come now I'll just give this a good stir. As you can see, I always have a bucket of that. I use this as a top dressing, and I use it to mix into the compost as well to keep some water retention in that as well. So I know a lot of people saying that this ain't good stuff, but I've been using it since I've been doing gardening. I've been using it. I use it in my garden at home as well, and I've never had any problems with it. So my next task, what I'm doing now, I've got an harbour to build, so I've got a couple of plants what like to run and take over, which is a Cho Chos and anything else what runs. So what I'm doing, I'm just building a walk-through harbour so that they can go up and over. So I've put in the 4 posts, and I'm going to put in the top bar, and then I'm going to maybe need some more wood to put the lengths in. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've got the structure up. So like I was saying, this is just for my Cho Chos, and I might get I've got a pumpkin as well, which is a small one, which I'm just going to let them just go up and trail over this, and then I'm going to put the crossbars on. I just put it one side up like this. If I need to get any more in later on, then I can always put them in after. So we're going to do this side now. I hope I've got enough things to do it, so I'm going to start on this side, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. If you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We do get back to you on them. So I hope this gives you an idea of something that you can do. If I wanted to, I could put more going down, more down support going down, and then I could put my my peas in there or something in there. So just bearing that in mind. So just using cable ties to tie these on. I thought I could have got away with using some of the metal from the old polytunnel, but it's all twisted and things, so I'm gonna have to get rid of that. Right, so I'm just checking to see if it's slack anywhere. Right, so that's all nice and tight and everything. So I'm going to do the other side, and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've got it nearly finished. What I noticed, I run out of the long cable ties. I'm not sure if I've got any more at home, but next time I come I'll finish those off, and then once I've finished that off I'll start getting everything tidied up, and then I'll get all these buckets and everything moved and emptied out and tidied up, and then we'll be ready for planting. I'll get my onions in and everything, get this bed sorted out, get all the wood thing, and then that just leaves everything tidy. And once I've got everything tidy, then I'll have to try and tackle that area down there don't know what we can do yet with it, because got the compost pile there. Got the compost pile there, and I've got all this old tree there I want to get rid of. I know some allotment allow incinerator bins or things, but down here it doesn't look like they do that. And then there's a big yellow bag there, there's another white bag in there as well. So all this is rubbish what should have been taken away, but I don't know. What she said, when she sees the council she's going to get them to shred it, but when that's going to be I don't know, because it's been quite a while since it's been taken down now. And I took it down myself because they were taking too long and I wanted to think, but these tree here, I need to bring that a bit lower, so I want to put a compost thing across there, and then once I've done that, then I'll tackle this shed. I've decided whether to take it down. As you can see, we're just chucking everything in there at the moment, but I'll decide whether to take that down or not. Right, so if you like our videos, please remember to like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We do get back to you on them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care.